Professor Lakhon Kma ubade ikutang shime ban aireng hak election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat mentak sngi baar ka apurut rek leber aracha apusa ul awan Thep Kyrteng Ïakhun how returning officer office DC East Khas Hills district ya Professor Lakhon Kma lawan Wan Synran lang daki bahayeng bahasam bab menta uba Lakhon Kma unang penbet pembiang hikot kisla syo man Thep Kyrteng.
I, Professor Lakhon Kma, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the House of the People, which is Lok Sabha, do swear in the name of God and solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Thank you.
Glass is water.